Dynamic Swing Anchored VWAP by Zeiierman. What is Dynamic Swing VWAP? This TradingView indicator helps traders spot good entry and exit points in the market. It uses both price and volume data to show where prices might go next. How it's different from regular VWAP. Instead of staying in one place, this VWAP moves with the market. It finds important price points, called swings, and adjusts itself based on how fast or slow the market is moving. Main features. 1. Swing detection. Watches for big price moves up or down. Creates new starting points when price direction changes. 2. Smart adjustments. Gives more weight to recent price moves. Moves faster when markets are wild. Slows down when markets are calm. Why it's better than basic VWAP. Regular VWAP can get too far from current prices, making it less useful. This version fixes that by starting fresh at new price swings, keeping up with fast markets, staying steady in quiet markets. How to use it. 1. Finding fair price. Watch where price meets the VWAP line. Look for trading chances when price pulls back to the line. 2. Following trends. Use it to spot good entry points during trends. Wait for price to touch the line before entering trades. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite TradingView indicators.